Fucking stupid bot, bro. In what world do you explain me shooting missiles down at you like that? Gold shatter, thank God. Now, if I get a hit mark over this, bro, I might just quit this game. Because it's fucking at the point I'm actually getting mad. Where it's like, what the fuck? How am I literally getting clapped when I have good weapons? And these fucking pussies just run up on me with flamethrowers or fucking literally absolutely nothing. Like, I'll get run up on by the dumbest shit, homie. I will actually get ran up on by the dumbest fucking things in this game. I get the dumbest fucking hit markers, I get the dumbest fucking bullshit. Somehow, they fucking spawn next to me when they're not even fucking there! Piece of fucking trash fucking game, for real. Did you just come out the fucking ground or something? Irritating fucking trash piece of shit, like what the fuck? Here, let's just spawn in your ass, right fucking behind you, with no fucking radar. Absolutely love that shit. And then I touched reload multiple fucking times, and then now I'm barely reloading now. Irritating garbage. Get on my fucking nerves. Die. Just fucking die. Where'd the other stupid bot go? Oh, fuck, come on, dudes! Do you not pay attention to the fucking mini-map at all? Love how I just start getting pegged by a fucking pulsar while this fucking faggot's on the roof. Why? Why the fuck did you roll it towards me that way, jackass? Come on. How did those fucking miss? What is the point of a fucking homing missile? And now there's a fucking caramel, dude. Come on. Fuck off! I didn't even touch that. I went to touch jump. These buttons don't fucking listen. This is such fucking bullshit! You're an idiot. You're an actual fucking idiot. I almost hit his ass even without home. That was crazy. Fucking dash! You faggot trash! Get over the wall! I'm a fucking robot! I should be able to waltz over this fucking 2-inch ledge! You dumb fucking garbage! What is this fucking bullshit? How can you hit me on the corner like this? Are you really fighting a fucking bot? Dumbass! I'm so fucking done. I am so fucking done! What the hell, nigga, move! This is such bullshit! Use these fucking rechargers, come on! Oh my god, go back in. Are you out of your goddamn mind? What the fuck? Did it really just fucking not do that? Come on! Fuck! Irritating!
Mecha にダメージを負わせられない。
Like, hell no, bro. I ain't got no fucking loot.
前方に敵がいる。気をつけて。前方にメカを発見。
You guys are dumb as fuck, team! I'm landing on this piece of shit. He's dying. Get the fuck out of my game. So the homie took everything. When I needed the rechargers and fucking actual fucking heals, he took everything from my fucking kill. Alright, that's cool. Trash. I'm the one that fucking killed all of them, pretty much. On top of home guy. Everybody fucking comes here. I don't even know why. Fucking place is not that special, dude. Fucking JoJo right behind. Why are you hiding behind a fucking tree? Why is this game so fucking friendly for fucking foliage? Stupid garbage, dude, no. No! Fuck you, come here!
もっと早く急いでここを離れないともっと早く急いでここを離れないとメカにダメージを負わせられない
Go through the window, stop pissing me off.
作戦準備まだ終わりじゃない私と銃の腕を
2 HP? Are you fucking kidding me? Holy shit. Literally, holy shit. That was the closest fucking hit marker ever.
もっと射撃の腕を磨いた方がいいよよし次は誰
Fucking finally, bro. After all that fucking bullshit fucking matches and footage, finally.
ここを離れないと
Dash! Trash! Oh my fucking god, that's dumb. I love how I was pushing fucking dash and I'm just not dashing.